Good morning, students. Let's start our chapter Network and Communication. Let us first discuss what is networking. Networking is basically collection of the computers connecting together for sharing the information and resources. Okay, in your books you can see a picture of computer linked a network. Okay, so a computer network enables the two or more computers to share the data and resources such as printers, exchange files, allow electronic communication. And how these networks are connected? These networks are connected through the cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellite or infrared beams. And through these networks we can send the large amount of information, small amount of information to the worldwide. Okay, let us discuss the advantages of the computer network. First is the speed, that it has through the computer networks we can send the data at a very high speed. Okay, and we can share a file which is confidential also, because the confidential files can be sent through the password protected. Okay, they are password protected and cannot be opened by the unauthorized user. The second is the cost effective. We do not require to send the datas and files through the transportations, so it also saves our transportation and communication expenses. Okay, security concern. Then security concern means if we have a single computers, then the physical access becomes necessary for any kind of data theft. But if the computer is networked, then the hacker can get authorized access by using different tools. And in the big organizations use the various security softwares that use to prevent the theft of any confidentiality and classified data. Next is our central software management. It means that the whole information can be uploaded on the main server, that is main computer, and everyone can be that can be shared to everyone, every computer through that. It means that we do not require many computers to upload the same information. Okay, next is the resource sharing. Resource sharing means that if for example in a company there are 12 computers, 12 printers and 12 modems, and we require to work them together at the same time, then what we'll do, that these 12 computers can be connected to the single modem and the single printer to share the information. Okay, next is the disadvantages of the computer network. The main disadvantages of the computer network is that the user becomes dependent on it. If there is any fault in the server file, that means the many computers cannot run the program or the applications. The another major problem is with the efficiency, which is dependent on the skill of the system manager. If a badly managed network may operate less efficiently than the network computers. Next is the computer has a traffic. It means that as the increases on the network, the performance degrades. It means the performance decreases. And virus can spread to the another computer through a computer network. Okay, now